Hi, welcome back to Science 101. Today we are going to learn about mitosis and meiosis. Both processes are very easy to understand as it builds the basic concepts of biology. Cells divide and reproduce in two ways, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis results in two identical daughter cells, whereas meiosis results in four sex cells. Next, we highlight the key differences between the two types of cell division. The major purpose of mitosis is for growth and to replace worn-out cells. If not corrected in time, mistakes made during mitosis can result in changes in the DNA that can potentially lead to a genetic disorder. Mitosis is a process of cell division where chromosomes are replicated and separated into two genetically identical cells. It is the process involved in growth and cell repair. In mitosis, firstly, duplication of nuclear DNA takes place. Then the chromatin condenses, the mitotic spindle assembles, and the nucleus disappears. Thirdly, the chromosomes align in the middle of the dividing cell. Afterward, the spindle fibers split apart the chromatids to opposite poles of the cell. Then two new sets of identical cells are generated. The nucleus starts to form around each new cell. Meiosis is the type of cell division that produces four cells with half the number of chromosomes from the parent cells. This process is responsible for producing egg cells and sperm cells in two stages. Meiosis 1. 1. Tetrads are formed. Chromatids exchange segments of alleles, resulting in different gene combinations. 2. The nucleus disappears. The chromosomes align in the middle of the dividing cell. Spindle fiber starts to form. 3. The homologous chromosomes are split and pulled toward opposite poles of the cell. 4. Two new sets of non-identical cells are generated. The nucleus starts to form around each new cell. Meiosis 2. Spindles reform around the chromosomes of each new cell. The nucleus disappears. The chromosomes align in the middle of the dividing cell. The sister chromatids are split and pulled toward opposite poles of the cell. Two new sets of non-identical cells are generated from each divided cell. The nucleus starts to form around each new cell. Where do mitosis and meiosis occur in our body? Let's find out. Mitosis occurs in all cells, also called somatic cells, in the body except reproductive cells. Meiosis occurs in the cells of reproductive organs, testes in males, and ovaries in females. If you have any questions related to this topic, feel free to comment below your queries. If you would like to learn any topic, do share. Give my video a thumbs up and do not forget to share with your fellows.